Congratulations! You made it! Luckily, we have a few more openings in your area. Hi, my name is Katie Stevenson, and I've been the Customer Relations Manager here for over 5 years now. I want to tell you that you picked the right day to join us. We're desperately looking for people in your area and have a special promotion running right now. We'll give you a $50 bonus once you successfully complete your first online task with us. I know you may be skeptical with all the online scams out there. Trust me, I've been burned myself in the past with websites promising to make me money online, only to end up more confused than I was when I signed up, with less money to my name. What makes us different is that we list real companies that pay people just like you to do simple tasks online. It doesn't matter how much experience you have or even what country you're from. All you need is an internet connection and some spare time. Work as much or as little as you like. When you join today, you'll get the complete Real Money Stream system, the Real Money Stream's Quick Start Guide, the complete Paid to Surf the Net system, and also the Beginner's Guide to Working Online. With these tools, you'll have everything you need to start making money online. Don't forget, we're offering you the free $50 when you complete your first online task. When you're ready to join, just click the Add to Cart button at the bottom of the page to get started.